Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour of the Around the House show, Eric G. and John Dudley sit down with Wendy Glaister, and they talk about how to keep the contractors, designers, and homeowners all working together smoothly on your next construction project.
Wendy, like you said, enough. Not all the designers, but enough. There are definitely two archetypes we're talking about here. And you got your bristly contractor who can't be wrong, and he's so busy knowing everything that he never learns anything. So, and it becomes that competition. And unless you have enough respect and enough maturity to back down, I can tell you a handful of times that I'd stop working with people because they would start bad-mouthing the other person. And it was always that, the blame game, the who's right, who's wrong, I'm smarter, I'm better. Well, that's a dumb idea. We can't build it like that. This designer's taking you guys for a ride, but it's gross.
That's happened. Like, I can feel
it happened.
This chair is the color of my face now, so I'm frustrated. Because when you live like that and your intention is so pure.
While John Dudley is out finishing his AI project, Eric G. sat down with YouTube and Instagram star Brent Gentling from BYOT. They chat about the latest cool stuff he is seeing in all the trade shows of 2026.
They're really easy to see as well. So is this something that was so unique, that's different, that all of a sudden made a fix to a solution or provided a solution to a problem that was existing that I never thought was going to be easily attainable to fix?
That's incredible. Yeah, because otherwise you're down there with a magnet hoping you got them all. You didn't. But now you can be going around there, you got a black light and it's dark outside, and all of a sudden you're just looking at it, boom, there they are.
Yep.
So smart. And safety-wise, it makes sense too, because you can see exactly what you're doing. Makes a lot of sense.
Exactly. And that's the beauty of these inventors. And that's why I love the trade show realm, is because you're getting firsthand experience of like what is truly new and innovative in the space. And some of these guys are really just trying to get off the ground from the very jump. And it's hard at that stage, but...
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon. Hey folks, Jim here, producer of Around the House Show. You're loving the audio tips right now, but here's something new. Our full-length episodes and expert interviews are now on YouTube as video, so you can watch the demos, tool close-ups, and guest interviews, or just hit play and listen like a regular podcast. Just search Around the House Show on YouTube, hit that red subscribe button, and turn on notifications. It's free. And you'll get the best of both worlds, visual how-tos when you want them, audio when you're on the go. Don't forget to subscribe on your podcast app too. Thanks. And now back to the show.